You have probably landed on this video because the summer is really starting to heat up and you think it's time to change your oil in your lawnmower, and you flip it over and for the life of you, you can't find the drain plug. Well, it is actually easier than that. First, there is no drain plug, but you will need a catch pan and a board to make this a little easier. You will need to use a board to give your mower a little elevation when you flip it. This makes things easier. The first thing you need to do is place the board beside the wheels. Then turn the mower on its side. If you're like me and worried that gas might leak out during this process, you can remove the gas before we begin by using these same steps. To make cleanup easy, I take a shopping bag and a paint tray and I place the shopping bag inside out over the paint tray. Place the oil catch pan on the ground beside your board. Then locate your oil stem. It's where you put oil in your mower. Take off the cap and flip the mower the same way you did to drain the gas. The board allows you to tilt the mower further without hitting the collection pan. The handle on the mower should allow you to rest the mower in place to ensure all the oil comes out. Lean down and take a close look to see that no more oil is coming out of the mower. Then simply place your mower back in the upright position. Pull your bag by the holders backwards off the paint tray, turning the bag inside out. Then tie off your bag tight. You can actually double bag it if it will be sitting for a while before you dispose of it. Now to add your oil. Honda recommends that you use SAE 10 weight 30 with their engines. Using one carton, start by pouring half of the oil in the mower. Now, before checking how much oil you have in your engine and how much more is needed, you need to clean off your dipstick before screwing it back on. When you do, thread it all the way on to the oil stem. Then, take off and check to see where the oil shows up on the dipstick. Your dipstick has a set of crisscross lines on the area that should be covered in oil. This is to help you see the clean oil on the dipstick. Anywhere near the top of the crisscrosses means you have enough oil. If your dipstick shows oil above the ridge pattern, you will need to remove some of the oil. Too much oil can cause strain on your engine, cause you to burn oil, and foul your spark plug. So don't put too much in. Follow these simple steps and keep your lawnmower running for years. Honda engines are great and will last a long time if you keep the maintenance up on them. A simple oil change can extend the life of your engine. This mower is almost 20 years old and still starts on the first pull and purrs like a kitten. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and if you use this technique, I would love to hear how it worked for you in the comments below.